Okay, magpapalit tayo ng baterya ng keypad ng sakyan natin. So dito mo lang siya open, no? Yan, nagkakalak mo siya. Yan. Yun. Diba? Tapos i-open mo siyang ganyan. Yun. Kukunin mo lang to. Itong part na to, kunin mo lang to. Yan. Then the rest can sit here. Yes. Tapos ang kailangan mong baterya is CR2016. Yan. And from here, meron ditong nakalagay na dito. Ito yung arrow na yan, oh. Makita. Pero usually sabi use coin, but you can use ito ulit. Itong flathead. Yun. Ang crack na, di ba? That's it. And then ito mo lang yan. Diba? Tapos ito, kuha ka lang ng ganito, click mo lang yan. Usually will clock out. Yan. Ayun, yun na. And then when installing the new battery, dapat naka ano yan, the plus sign, and just snap it in. Okay, ayun lang. That's it. And then put the plastic back. Make sure it's all snapped. And then put this thing back. Oh, ilagay mo yung cover. Should snap back. That's it. Done. So make sure yung battery niya is 2016, CR2016. Yan. Yan. And that's it. All done. Babush!